If you have a big room, why not let your kids experience the best bunk bed ever? This bunk bed has a small window where kids can see what is going on outside of the room. This cool bunk bed is best suited for kids who have an intense fear of heights. It doesn't have an upper bed. Instead, your kid would have a special mini room. This unusual bunk bed has a secret room with a large space that allows your kids to accommodate a large number of friends in your house. A white bunk bed is a popular choice for kids' bedrooms because the color is gender neutral, light, and vibrant. This outstanding pink bunk bed is a dream come true for kids who love makeup. Have a child who plans to go to space in the future? Give them this NASA spaceship-inspired bunk bed. Kids often fight over small things. This bunk bed kinda separates them and gives them their own space. This bunk bed prioritizes the need of your kids for a large space. The lower bunk has a king-size bed, and there's an attached desk where they can study and read.